Good evening, Highway 83 fans. I am your host, Tony. I will be here tonight drinking Miller High Life and showcasing the Highway 83 shifter kit for your Suzuki Samurais. Now, many of you have watched our installation video of how to install the parts, obviously, and you've bought, we've sold quite a few of them. You guys are out, we're running out of stock all the time. You guys are like, hey, when you getting more? I know, we're keeping up with it as we can, but hey, today I just wanted to showcase some of the parts and why Highway 83 offers a quality part where you might buy the kit from somewhere else and you have to assemble the whole damn thing yourself and be like, hey, this kind of sucks. Highway 83 hooks it up, and that's how I've always thought of things, is when I'm buying something, how would I want it when I open the package? Now here is your shifter tower, the aluminum parts. Now everything is already installed here. Your locator bolt, the large 14 millimeter. You've got your lockout pins on the end. Inside are the springs, the locator bolts. Everything is installed. Even the grease inside here. There's freaking lithium grease in there. You don't got to do squat other than bolt it on and rock and roll. Now in our video, we do recommend putting a little RTV on here, bolting it down, letting it dry a little bit, tightening your bolts down. So that you got to do, because we can't do that. But everything else is ready to install. You buy some from somewhere else, none of this stuff will be installed. It'll all be in a bag and you'll be like, where do all these parts go? And you don't know. So another thing we offer is the lever that comes in the kit. This is your bushing. Now on this, it's sloppy, but we do put a little grease on here and in the bushing. So when you get it, you got grease on the top of the bushing as well as the bottom of the bushing where it slides in. So that's a nice thing, all ready to rock and roll. You don't even have to put your bushing on, nothing. In the kit, of course, you get your little wave washer, you get your rubber boot, your lockdown clamp, and your bolts for that. And you probably don't need it, but we do include a new 5-speed shifter knob with the 1 through 5 in reverse written on the knob, which is a nice little thing. I don't know, some of you guys, the sticker is a lot of time popped off. You don't know, you're a new driver or whatever. It just looks good to have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reverse on there. So just wanted to highlight some of the things with the Highway 83 brand shift kit that you might not get from other places. It's already lubed and assembled and ready to rock. And who doesn't like that? You open the box and you start bolting stuff up. You're not asking questions. So I just wanted to say, hey, thanks for all the guys that are buying it, and watch our installation video to show the complete process of installing it in the transmission. Otherwise, you can always reach out to me or Highway 83 on our website, Hwy83Suzuki.com, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Otherwise, buy some kits, sip some High Life, enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching the Highway 83 YouTube channel.